Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm very happy to see you here. So today's topic is about Upwork Skill Certification process. I have brought this up because I got an invitation to this process and I searched for web and I couldn't find many useful resources relating to this skill certification process. So I thought about creating one. Let's start by what Upwork Skill Certification is. Let's get the definition. When I got invited, I got an invitation telling me that I can pass this skill certification and get my skills certified. That's like you will have a badge on your profile telling clients that you are tested, you are certified in these skills like Python or JavaScript, and it has other benefits as well. Secondly, you get the priority for invitations to submit proposals by talent specialists. What it means is talent specialist, in my opinion, talent specialists will find the jobs that match your skills and make it easier for you to apply to that jobs. So the next benefit of getting this badge, this certification, is you will get an option to apply for Talent Scout. To be honest, I'm not sure what Talent Scout is, but according to the Upwork docs, it says you will not be charged for Upwork fee for Talent Scout projects, and you will get access to high-paying exclusive Upwork clients. So I guess that's something promising, and I hope I will get that one day. Now let's move on. The first step is invitation process. The invitation is invite only, so you cannot go to anywhere and just ask or go to the support and ask them to invite you, but you can do some things that increase your chances of being invited. First, one of them is having 100% ready profile and solid feedback, solid job success score, and no misconduct. So in my case, I had 100% job success score and about 11 jobs, and 8 of them was like from clients who provide very good feedback. Then I had the ready profile and some projects on my project list, and I just got invited. And the time I've been working on Upwork for 7 months, if that counts as a requirement. So Upwork hasn't specified all the requirements. I guess that's basically it. So next step, you will have this first general coding tests on Code Signal. But what I would suggest to pass this test is you should try the preparation test first. They also provide a link to preparation test, and please do it, because it serves as a very good example. The questions you receive are basically similar to the questions you solve during the preparation tests. Besides that, I would suggest going through a lead code algorithms plan. There's a 14 days plan. Basically, I have gone through 6 or 8 days and I have solved 30 questions, and it was not so difficult to pass the general coding tests. I got a score of 724. The coding score was 834, but I don't know why Code Signal show it the other way, and I guess Coding Signal basically calculates it based on your I don't know, based on your problem solution quality maybe. So it's something not I don't know at all. I So with this score I got accepted to the second step, and I've got the congratulation email just a couple of hours before this, couple of hours ago. So and I also got 80 connects for passing the first phase, and I know that if I pass the second phase I will get my badge plus this 80 connects as well. So and what if I fail? So if I fail I will not be able to pass this pass this test for 6 months, and I think I'll just keep working on my Upwork profile and my job success score. The first test was 70 minutes and it had 4 questions. Question 1 was simple enough. It was about arrays, I think. I'm not sure why I forgot it so fast, but it was not so difficult. I mainly solved it in 6 to 10 minutes. So the second part of the general coding skill was also a very easy question, but it took me up to 20 minutes. Then the third one was pretty difficult, but it's more of a time consuming than difficult. It took me 40 minutes, then no, 50 minutes I spent. I guess no, it took me 40 minutes, so it was just I had just 5 or 10 minutes to solve the fourth question, which I couldn't solve. But after seeing the fourth question, I thought like it was much easier. It was less time consuming compared to the third one. So if you prepare, it will not be difficult for you to pass this general coding assessment. So I guess that was about it. Okay, and now I am getting ready for the specific coding assessment. It's front-end JavaScript. They don't have React or Vue front-end tests yet. And I think I'll be making another video when I hopefully pass the second phase, and will share it with you guys. Thank you for joining today, and bye bye.